We're making good progress. Let's add a few more elements to our home page. So come to pages. Here's the home page. Let's add a few more elements here to the bottom. Let's add a row. Here it is. So in the row, let's add a separator. I need a line there. So let's add a separator there. Let me see. I think I'm comfortable with all the default parameters. So save changes. And under the separator, let's add a heading. Let's add a heading here. Let's duplicate this heading. And let's bring it under the line. And let's change this to intercontinental dishes. Okay, and I want to centralize that. Text align center. Save. Let's add another row here. Let's break this into 4. I'm going a bit faster now because I know you're already a pro on this. So break it into 4 equal parts, and let's add images here, single images. So I can just duplicate this. I don't need to copy a fresh image. Drag it and drop it here. Duplicate this, drag it, and drop it here. So let's edit this image. Okay, I can't even use this. Let's change this so it keeps all 3. So to delete what is here, I just click the red X here, and to add a new image, click the green plus. So let's add this. Set image, save changes. So let's duplicate this, add it here. Let's duplicate this, drag it here, and update. Right? Now let's refresh our home page. Remember, if you have already closed this, all you have to do is right click here on the permalink and open it in a new tab. So let's refresh this to see what it looks like. Okay, redefining cuisines here, intercontinental dishes. Yep, good. Let's come back. Let's still add some more elements. Let's add a row here. Row. Okay, here it is. Okay, so we add let's add a separator here as well. Save changes. I think I need another row here, so I add, and here's my row. So let me add a call to action. In case if you are wondering what a call to action is, a call to action is a call to action. Is a call to action. So I'm adding a call to action here. Can I see call to action here? So it's something that people are to act on. Something that says, hey, click here, do this, So I copy this text. I just need a little more text in here. So let me just copy and paste and copy and paste, copy and paste, like some of you did in exams. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Okay. So here, and let me check other parameters. Add a button. Yes, I want a button at the bottom. Okay. With 100%, and then add icon. No. Extra class. No. Okay. Color, style, classic. Okay. Color. I think I should do custom style. Custom. Okay. So background color. I want that white. Pure white. Yes, pure white. Text color. I think I should work with the default, or maybe I should just go gray, somewhere around here. Gray. Yes. Okay. Text alignment center. I want this in the center. Okay. Heading. Let's see. A taste of India. A taste of India. And the button, let's call the button explore. Explore. Right. If there's a link where it should link to, you'd select this, but we'll get back to that. So, explore. So style, button style, I think custom, background color, this. Okay. Text color, no, I want something as close to white as possible. So let me come up here. Okay, good. Shape, square. You can just, I'm just choosing all these based on personal preferences, so it's up to you too. Size, normal, alignment, center. Okay. Save changes, yes. Update. Let's see what it looks like on the front end. Did it turn out well? Yes. Okay, this is nice. Good. A taste of India. So let's add one more element. But this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this entire row. Can you see these buttons here? Edit, duplicate, and then delete. What I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this entire row this way. Just click this and it has duplicated. So if I come down, I can see it. I have it here, and I'm going to drag it to the bottom under my call to action. And then I'm going to swap the image. I'm dragging the image here and drag this here and drag this here. So I'm just swapping, right? Image, come here. I want image here, heading here. And I don't want this button. I don't want this button. So let's change the heading. Let's call this Mother India. Mother India. Okay. And then the image, let's change the image and put something Indian there. Something Indian. So upload files, select files, and India. Okay. So set image, save changes, update, and let's come to our front end here and refresh it. Okay, so here we are. Here we are. Nice. Nice. Now I want a little more space between the border of my call to action and this element here. So I think I should add an empty space there. So let's go back there. I want it under the call to action here. Under the call to action here, I want an empty space, right? Or let me teach you something. Instead of putting it under the call to action, how can I put an empty space above these two elements inside this row? Now, take note that I've already broken this row into two, right? But I need a straight empty space. So I need a straight column above these two columns here inside this row. How do I do that? If you come here now, can you find any option like that? No. So what do? I'm going to use custom, right? Now, when it is half like this, it is 1/2, 1/2, right? So I'm going to use custom to make it 1/1, meaning a full row, then 1/2, 1/2 will follow. If you don't understand that, just put your space under here, add the space under this one, inside this call to action row, and move on. But if you understand, then good, stick with me. So let's click on custom. You see, it's already 1/2 plus 1/2, that's half and half, right? But at the beginning, I want a full row there. So I'm going to do 1/1, and I'm going to write plus there. 1/1 plus 1/2 plus 1/2. So update it. and here. Oh, it messed it up. So I'm still just going to drag this here. I'm going to drag this here. Why did you mess up my layout? Okay, so here we have it. And then I'm going to now add an empty space there. So let's search for empty space. Okay, and save changes. You can always increase the size of the space. You see it's 32 px, but you can always increase it as you choose. But I'll work with that. Update. Okay, and let's see the front end and see what it looks like. Okay, that is more space. Oh no, I'm supposed to shift this. I swapped that layout. Now, as you're developing, you're going to be encountering stuff like this, but as a smart developer, you'd keep changing things and putting things the way they should be. That's your job, isn't it? So update, come here, let's refresh, and here we are. Okay, here we are. Yes, nice. Good. So we have a home page now, right? Have you followed this far? If you have come thus far and you have just this on your screen, you are doing well. And it's still going to get a whole lot prettier than this. Just stick with the class, okay? And let's make things happen. So in the next lesson, we'll be building an about page, about us, just a page to carry basic information about the restaurants. See you in the next lesson.